And welcome back again with Wepuni. Today I'm gonna show you some player pentatonic licks on guitar. So today I want to show you the ascending pattern. Okay, the lick is still the same on the bass pentatonic roots on B minor. So natural, and I'll show you how to play an ascending flash pentatonic licks today. Okay, I hope you can understand my explanation in this video. And we have to go to the tutorial. Okay, so yesterday I show you the descending pattern of the flash pentatonic licks. So today I want to show you the ascending pattern of the pentatonic scale on B minor root. Okay, it's just the reverse of the descending, so it's so easy to use if you have memorized it. It's the first step, just okay, at the 6th string and the 7 hammers on to 10, and then jump to 5th string and in the 7 to 9 hammers on, and then the 4th 7 to 9 hammers on. Okay, the first step is like this. Okay, you got it. And then the second step is start in 5th string 7 to 9 hammers on, and then you got the 4th string 7 and the 9, the 3rd string 7 to the 9 too. Everything is just you can play the hammers on. Okay, okay, and the 3rd step you play the 4th string and the 7 to 9 hammers on, the 3rd string and in the 7 to 9, the 2nd string you play hammers on the 7 to 10. Okay, the last step is you play in the 3rd string 7 to 9 hammers on, and then the 2nd string you play the 7 to 10. The last move is you pick the 1st string at the 7 to the 10 hammers on. Okay, we combine the full step slowly. The first, the second, the 3rd step, and the last step before. Okay, you can play it too slowly and don't be hasty. Just relax and don't be rushed. Okay, keep it on hammers on. Okay, play the first so slowly. Relax, don't be so full speed. You can decrease the speed of these legs. It's okay. Okay, so I think it's so easy and you can understand what I want to explain to you. And then we have reached the end of this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's worth it to you. See you at the next time. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.